Now, if you don't know this already, YouTube is paying $36 million per day to creators. Now, if you just get about 0.009% of that money, that will be $10,000 a month. Now, $10,000 if you are in Nigeria, $10,000 works to about 8.5 million naira. Woo! To make $10,000 on YouTube in a month, you need to be making $2,500 per week, and that works down to about $333 daily. Now, how exactly can you make this money on YouTube? And this is the most interesting part. Today, I'll be sharing insights that you cannot find in books, you cannot find on the internet. In fact, I don't need to allow this. You got to come closer to hear this. Now, I've not talked about these secrets before. This is from my experience, and I'm going to share to you only who is watching this video. So don't tell anybody. YouTube AdSense money alone is not going to cut it. You're not going to make up to $10,000 if you are just starting with AdSense alone. So here are a few things you do. Okay, the first thing you need to do is to get brand deals. Okay, don't tell anybody about this. Not many people know about this. You need to get brand deals. One brand deal can pay you millions. Now, the second thing you need to do to grow your YouTube channel, in addition to AdSense, is to ensure you promote affiliate offers on your site. Don't tell anybody about this. I'll break this down a little bit more in other videos. But these two things are what you need to do in addition to your AdSense in order to make a lot of money. Now that we have laid out some secrets that are not found on the internet, we can continue. So first thing to ensuring you're on track to making $10,000 a month on YouTube is, number one, have a niche. YouTube is a platform that is niche based. You cannot just post everything anytime, anyhow on YouTube. You need to be one singular minded person on YouTube. Once you get your niche, you move to creating your content. But this is the best part. Before then, you need to be good at video editing, you need to be good at script writing, you need to be good at that and this. But now you can use artificial intelligence, or artificial intelligence as my friend calls it. So now, here is the trick to using artificial intelligence. It's not just about the tool, but it's about using the tools inside the tools. What do I mean? Okay, there are plugins inside the tool. So let's say, for example, you are using ChatGPT. ChatGPT has plugins that you must know how to use to make your work easier. For example, to make a script, you need to use a plugin called Vox Script. Okay, and this plugin does the job of the script for you. Now, once you have your script, you can produce your video. You can edit your videos in CapCut. CapCut is the best video editor as far as I'm concerned right now because it's plug and play. Now your content is ready. Okay, script is ready. Voiceover is ready. Content is completely ready. Now you are set to start uploading. Now, here's another trick. You cannot upload 5 to 10 videos on YouTube alone manually. So what do? You use scheduling apps to schedule your content and automatically upload your content onto YouTube. You repeat this for 3 to 4 months. In, let's say, 6 months, you are on your way to making $10,000 in a month on YouTube.